How are we doing today, guys? Just doing a video review on the OmniShaver. For you those that don't know about or haven't heard about it, it's a head shaver. It's designed to go real fast. It's self-cleaning, which means you don't have to rinse it out pretty much ever when you're using it. So you really shouldn't have to. It's a double-sided razor, so you have two blades, both pointing in, so when you're going front to back, you're shaving in both directions simultaneously. But the idea behind it, it's very quick, very fast. For guys like me, where I'm shaving my head every couple days, morning routines can go very long with having to shave my head with a normal razor. Something like this just doesn't really get the job done fast enough because I have to go this way, I have to go that way, and just to get a smooth shave and to make sure I get everywhere around. So the idea with the OmniShaver is it's going to be fast, and you're shaving both directions when you do it. You can go long, you can go short, whatever you prefer. I kind of do a mixture, but generally the long strokes is what I prefer when shaving. So I'm going to do a quick demo here so you guys can see how it works. But it's OmniShaver. It's pretty neat. It tilts here so that way it contours to your head so you don't get cut or anything like that, and get a clean shave surface. You can shave with pretty much anything, you know. I use the Gillette shave gel. I like to use conditioner as well. If I'm in the shower, I have a mirror in there, I'll just shave with just the conditioner. It works just fine for me. So, but start off getting my head a little wet. And slather it up. Take my glasses off. So I'm actually going to add a little bit more. We kind of want the surface to be nice and slick. It just gets a smoother shave. So I'm going to show you guys here how fast I can actually go. Been using it a couple weeks now. Really like it. So let's start. That's it, pretty quick. Pretty fast, pretty smooth. I like it. So when I shave my face, I'll go back through and touch up around my ears and all those little spots. But works great. Self-cleaning, rinses out real easy, doesn't get clogged, anything like that. Definitely faster, smoother one of these. So awesome. Thanks guys. Have a great day.